Hey guys, thanks for watching the intro video. If you haven't, make sure you watch it first. So here we are in the first action step in the first video, which is going to be creating your Amazon seller account. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to sellercentral.amazon.com. You type that in and it's going to bring you to this screen. It might bring you to a different screen, but it'll be the next screen I show you. But if it brings you to this screen, you're going to click here on register now. Since you guys aren't Amazon sellers, so go ahead and click register now. And that brings you to this screen right here, which says start selling on Amazon, blah, blah, blah. You can read all of it when you highlight it. So anyway, if you look right here, it says $39.99 a month plus additional selling fees to start selling on Amazon. Here's the deal. It says $39.99 a month, but basically, if you were to start selling on Amazon without paying this $39.99 a month, that's what they call a professional plan, then you pay an extra dollar per item in fees. So if you sell over 40 items a month, you pay for this right out the gate. I don't even consider it a business expense. I mean, I do on my taxes, of course, but I don't even think about it as being an expense because it saves me money by a long shot. You sell hundreds of products a month, it saves you hundreds of dollars a month to be a professional seller. And if you're going to use any third-party software, you have to be a professional seller, and we're going to use third-party software down the road. So, anywho, you're going to start with this $40 a month, but just know that it's not exactly like spending $40 a month, it's like saving money. So anyway, I'm going to click here and click Start Selling. You're going to go down here to this new to Amazon and click on create your Amazon account. You can use your current existing Amazon account, like if you have a consumer account where you buy stuff on Amazon, but I would suggest going ahead and creating a new Gmail or something like that, new email account, and it's separating things out. Make this your business, but mine is attached to my personal account because no one told me. So when I started, it's still attached. I haven't changed it, but either way you want to do it's fine. I just like to keep things separate. So click here on create your own account or log into your current Amazon account. It's going to take you to this screen which says create account, which we're going to put in your name is JSam Hilton. Email is JSam@orbradio.com. Password. And then we're going to click next. It's going to take you to this screen here, which is to set up your Amazon selling account. So what is your legal name? This is going to be your personal name, which my real name is John Hilton. Click next. It's going to ask for your personal address, so just put in all this information. And this is your unique business display name. So this needs to be something that is a little vague in my opinion. When I first started selling on Amazon, I was selling a specific product. We'll say it's shoes. And so my name, I decided to make it something like Shoe Amazon Central or whatever, which is fine, but that kind of bottlenecks you into just selling one thing. I would go with something vague, something relative to you. So if your last name's Smith, you could be like Smith Liquidation Sales. And if it's available, it'll let you go through, or whatever, or Smith Clearance Outlet, or whatever you want to make it. Just something kind of vague and open-ended. And then don't worry about using your own website URL, I guess, unless you want to. But definitely put in your real phone number because they will contact you from time to time for actual important things. And then I'm not going to walk through the rest of this, but put in your actual billing and deposit information, your bank account. They're not going to charge you. I think they charge you $1 to verify your bank, and then they give it back, I think, if I remember correctly. Under tax information, you're going to go ahead and put in your personal information at this point. If you have an LLC or a business entity, you can use your, I think, what is your federal tax ID in this information, but if you want to use just your personal social security number, that's fine too. Now, to understand this, at the end of the year, Amazon is going to send you a 1099 that basically just shows what they paid you out over the year. So, and that's only if you sell over $20,000 on Amazon, which, if you follow the steps to this, you easily should. But they're going to send you a 1099 just for tax purposes. It's nothing to worry about, but this is how they keep track of it. And so then you're going to go on to product information. It's going to ask you what kind of products you sell. Just put in whatever you want to. You can list some random brands, grocery, health and beauty, personal care, automotive, toys, things like that. Just select those different categories and go ahead and move on from there. And we'll move on to the next step, which is taking you into the back office, which is Amazon Seller Central, and how to get used to that.